I'm Jerelie Rico Cruz. I'm the acting presiding judge of METC Manila Branch 12. I had to undergo shockwave procedure for my kidney stones. Siyempre, kahit naman meron akong sweldo, alam naman natin ang mga medical procedures, sometimes it could get very expensive. I'm taking care of my 81-year-old mother, especially because she has a history of mild stroke already. So, I decided to apply for it. I saw it on my Facebook feed. May nag-feedback, sabi, totoo daw, it's a legitimate program of the GSIS. And in fact, at that time, she has already applied for it. GSIS app ang ginamit ko, the Touch app. Diretso na lang sa cellphone kasi mas convenient yon for me. Mabilis! I was really surprised that it was that fast to apply. Parang naghintay lang ako ng 1 week and then yun na naka-receive na ako ng text na credited na yung refund. Iba pa rin talaga yung meron tayong buffer na tinatawag na kung sakasakaling magkaroon tayo ng emergency, meron tayong pwedeng pagpunan kung sakaling hindi magkakasya ang ating sweldo. Sa balik ginhawa, may ginhawa talaga.